Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mitu Sir Classes. Now I am going to discuss about the Indian polity article of the Constitution. Indian polity article of the Constitution, Article 26. Article 26. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 26 is the freedom to manage religious affairs. Okay, freedom to manage religious affairs. क्या होता है? फर्स्ट वन, दिस आर्टिकल 26 प्रोवाइड दैट this article 26 provide that every religious group, this article 26 provide that every religious groups or denominations, every religious group or denominations or any sections or denominations or any sections of it has the right to religious affairs, has the right to religious affairs. This article 26 provided that every religious group, this article 26 provided that each religious group or denominations of any sections of its has the right to religious affairs, has to right to religious affairs. Second, establish and maintain institutions. Establish and maintain institutions for religious and charitable processes. Establish and maintain institutions for religious and charitable purposes. Establish and maintain institutions for religious and charitable purposes. Okay. Next, third one. Manage its own affairs. Manage its own affairs in matter of religion. Manage its own affairs in matters of own religions. Manage its own affairs in matter of religions. Next one, to own and acquire movable and immovable property. To own and acquire movables and immovable property. Next, to administer to such property. To administer to such property in accordance with law. To administer the such property in accordance with the law. Next one, these freedom in this article, these freedoms in this articles are subjected to this freedom in the freedom of the article is subject to the public order, morality and health. Public order, morality and health. These freedom in this article, these freedom in the articles are subjected to public order, are subject to public order, morality and health. Public order and morality and health. Next, Article 27. Article 27, freedom as to payment. Freedom as to payment of taxes. Freedom as to payment of taxes for promotions of any particular religions. Freedom as to payment of taxes for a promotions of any particular religion. Promotions of any particular religions. First point. This article 27 provide that no person shall be compelled to pay any tax for promotions of any religions. This article 27 provide that no person shall be compelled to pay any tax for promotions of any religion, Second point, since India is a secular state, since India is a secular state, it cannot favor one religion over the others. India is a secular state, it cannot favor one religion over the others. Next one, this article guarantees against favoring or patronizing. These articles guarantees against favor or patronizing one religion over the other by state. One religion over by other state. one religion over the other state. This article guarantees against favoring or patronizing one religion over the other by state. One religions of the other by the state. Next, fees can be levied or services of safety provided. Fees can be levied or services of safety are provided by the government. So services are provided by the government. That fees from any religious, that fees from the any religious denominations for its daily expenditure, Fees can be levied or the services of safety provided. Fees can be levied or safety of provided by the any governments. That fees are collected or any religious fees are collected of the any religious denominations for its daily expenditure. Okay. Thank you. Please share, subscribe, click the bell icon. Thank you.